So now that we have the VLite installed here, the first step that we want to do is go back to the factory UI. And for that, you can just press radio, and that'll bring you back here. And after that, you want to use the menu button by the mouse and go into Setup. And then in General, under here, we're going to look for Automatic Screen Change. Here we go. So Auto Screen Change, we have that set to off already, but if this is on, it'll make the VLite go on and off the screen at random times, or the factory UI will take back over. So it's best to always turn this off first thing. And now we can go into the aux source and start working with the VLite.